Bullish quantum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $13.50 and $29.41 by 2030. Market experts accept Qtum could reach $13.50 by 2025. Bearish quantum market cost expectation for 2022 is $2.40. Quantum presentation. Qtum is a half-breed blockchain application stage. It overcomes any barrier among Bitcoin and Ethereum by consolidating their best elements. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run shrewd agreements in decentralized applications while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba chief, and Bruce Fenton, board head of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered an amazing group of counselors, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zu Star, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Benhuel. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from organizers' Asset Angel List. Also, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum one of a kind? The Qtum blockchain has two novel advancements that plan to tackle the four issues its organizers seen as most hazardous in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: record deliberation layer and decentralized administration convention. The record deliberation layer takes into account more prominent interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between brilliant agreements and true applications. This is on the grounds that it successfully makes a span between various blockchains, taking into consideration simpler communication. Moreover, all makes it conceivable to interface brilliant agreements with genuine applications, which has been hard to do up to this point. The Decentralized Administration Convention resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be altered by anybody who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Also, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Together, these two innovations make Qtum an exceptional choice for organizations and designers searching for a powerful and practical blockchain stage to construct their application. What is Qtum? Qtum has been intended to consolidate the best highlights of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Utilizing an UTXO exchange model, Qtum can offer the security of Bitcoin with the additional usefulness of shrewd agreements and dApps. The stage likewise upholds DeFi applications, furnishing clients with significantly more ways of utilizing Qtum. As of WAC 2021, there are more than 20 tokens made on the Qtum blockchain, making it one of the most flexible stages that anyone could hope to find. Qtum value history. In May 2017, Qtum was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10-$13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 obstruction level on December 13th and rose to $62.70 in January 2018. Qtum's ascent compared with the organization's participation at Block Show Asia in November. The Qtum coin was underestimated before this occurrence. From January to WAC 2018, the cost of Qtum kept on rising, arriving at a record-breaking high of $85.70 in February 2018. Be that as it may, the market before long remedied, and the value tumbled to $4.30 by early September 2018. Qtum started to ascend in esteem in February 2021 and has remained generally stable from that point forward, with a couple of remedies. Qtum value gauge. A few elements add to this hopeful Qtum cost expectation. Qtum, first and foremost, has solid basics with a huge and developing local area behind it. The group has likewise effectively executed its guide, bringing about various organizations and mixes with significant organizations, for example, Google and Amazon Web Administrations. At last, the new send-off of primary netmarking is supposed to drive further reception of Qtum as it becomes one of the most open stages for decentralized applications and savvy contracts. With these positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the Qtum cost is conjectured to keep ascending all through 2030 and then some. Qtum current cost. Qtum is right now worth $3 USD. Qtum has moved 2.36% as of now with an exchanging volume of $42,534,591. Qtum is right now positioned 118 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $311,665,627 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant quantum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Quantum Value Forecast 2022. Qtum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Qtum cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $4.50. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $4.20 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $3.60. Quantum Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Quantum Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $7.50. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Qtum's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6 and a typical exchanging cost of $6.60. Quantum Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $10.50 and Qtum might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $9.60 and a low of $9 in 2024. Quantum Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Qtum effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2025. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $13.50, with a base cost of $12 and a typical cost of $12.60. Quantum Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $15.60 by 2026, with a base cost of $15 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Qtum has a greatest value worth of $16.50. Quantum Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $18.60. On the off chance that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $19.51. Neglecting to assemble the help Qtum needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $18. Quantum Value Expectation 2028. While Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $21.01 and a yearly cost close above $22.51 in 2028. Quantum Value